with son, how to take him out of the addiction of gaming. Uh, Means
Yes.
he's so much addicted to online gaming and mobile gaming that he doesn't come out of his room. He's has started sitting in a dark room and with all his virtual friends. He doesn't come out.
How old is he?
15 plus. In December, he completed 15 years. He has passed out 10th standard and now moved on to 11th.
Yeah,
He
I
doesn't like to go to school. He doesn't want to go to school. And
think addiction is
every
very
day there are
bad.
tantrums related to I don't want to go to school. And
Yeah, so first you have to take the screen phone away, right? And you give the phone only for some time. And even the other gadgets, because the more they do it, the more they would suffer, and the more difficult it would get for you. So in the
yeah, so
beginning, yeah.
now he's continuously, I have taken the keyboard and mouse because that was what I could take back. So he's continuously, since morning, he's telling me, return me back or else give me money. I will purchase a new one. But I can't live without that.
No, so you have to tell him that, sit with him, have a proper conversation. Tell him I'm really worried as a mother. I don't have a problem with you playing, but I have a problem with you just doing this. So I will return everything to you if you can give me a commitment that you're going to watch from this time to this time. Otherwise, as a mother, I cannot push you too much into this. It would not be right of me to do that. So even if
Means,
you hate me for taking the device back, I have to take it back because I really love you. I know you would not like it if I take it away. I know you would hate me for taking it away, and I'm ready to be hated. But I'm not okay with you losing everything. So you have to have a limit, like a fixed time from, let's say, 5 to 6 or 6 to 8, 2 hours in a day, where he's allowed to
yes.
have his mobile and his gaming, whatever things. But before and after, it should be locked in the cupboard. And all of you with teenagers, please be careful. Do not allow them to get so deep into it before you realize what they're up to. Because it's very difficult for them to get out of it. It's like smoking. Easy to
Yes, it is
start,
an
easy to
addiction.
start, very difficult to quit. That's why, if
Means,
you are giving gadgets to your children, because, every other friends has it and you think, okay, I'll have to give, have a timer. Don't give it like for all day, all long. When they come
now, like
home,
he's so much physically grown up, and then he starts like snatching it back. If we want to take it back, like no, it is mine. You cannot take it away, and I won't give it to you
yeah,
back.
because he's
And
addicted, so he's going to get aggressive, violent. Kids are doing weird things. I don't want to scare you, but if it gets too much, they're also killing their parents for games. And this is real news. I'm not making this stuff up.
means, is there any treatment for this? I had been searching for any agencies who help to get the kids out of this type of
And the
addictions.
only addiction, the treatment for addiction is a rehab. But the idea is for you to first try it at your own level. And be gentle, not authoritative, not aggressive. Tell your child that, I really care for you, I love you, I worry about you. And create other experiences for your child. Go out. And for that, you have to connect with your child so that they want to go out with you. And when you go out, you talk to them about things that they are interested in. Or maybe, create experiences where they can go out on a camp or mountain or some place where they would be away from the technology. So you have to change the environment. Which means even if they're missing school and they're going for some experience like a mountain camping and all of that, it's very important. And if you feel it's gotten too much, then you definitely should send him to a place where devices are not allowed at all.